Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Guru for You. I'm Raiz, and today we're immersing ourselves in the captivating realm of inductors. These tiny coil maestros are pivotal players in the electronic orchestra of our devices. What's the scoop on inductors, you ask? Well, they're passive electronic components that store energy in a magnetic field when an electric current flows through them. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of inductors, from their measuring units to their dynamic applications in various circuits. Let's kick off with the basics. The unit of inductance is the Henry, named after the great scientist Henry himself. We measure inductors in microhenries, μH, millihenries, mH, and sometimes even nanohenries, NH, for those minuscule wonders. Now, in the inductor family, there are various types. We've got the humble air core inductors, iron core inductors, and even toroidal inductors. Each type has its unique characteristics, and we'll explore how to choose the right one for your circuits. Inductors are like the unsung heroes in electronic circuits. They play a crucial role in power supplies, filters, and even in radio frequency circuits. Ever wondered why your phone charges so rapidly? Thank the inductor and the power adapter for that. But here's the interesting part. Inductors aren't just passive bystanders, they actively influence the signals in a circuit. They're fantastic at passing direct current DC while resisting changes in alternating current AC. This makes them perfect for smoothing out ripples in power supplies and filtering unwanted noise. So where do we spot inductors in action? They're indispensable in transformers for stepping up or down voltages, smoothing out current ripples in power supplies, and in filters to separate signals of different frequencies. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the world of inductors. If you enjoyed this exploration of electronic components, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. This is Raiz signing off from Tech Guru for You. Until next time, keep tinkering, keep exploring, and let the magic of inductors enrich your electronic adventures.